Are you struggling with low accuracy and slow speeds in your vision inspections? Neurocle, your AI deep learning engineer, solves these problems by generating fast and accurate deep learning vision models. Neurocle's Auto Deep Learning algorithm automatically optimizes model structures and training parameters, allowing you to create high-performing models with a single click. Our vision software, Neurocle, handles everything from data collection to model creation and integrates models into real-world applications with NeuroR. Neurocle offers a range of models, including anomaly segmentation and patch classification, ensuring you have the right solution for any project. AI-assisted labeling tools allow you to automatically label with just a click and drag. Draw boxes around any object using a few keywords, and even convert the boxes into precise polygons with a single click. For large data sets, you can quickly label all your images by letting the model learn from a few initial images and efficiently label the rest. Once labeling is complete, generate a high-accuracy detection model with just one click. Build flowcharts to solve complex projects involving multiple models, and evaluate the final performance in advance to achieve desired results faster. Worried about a lack of defect images? No worries. Our generative AI GAN model generates realistic defect images, solving data shortages. Models generated with Neurocle are easily deployed on various processors and devices, including GPUs and CPUs, through NeuroR, enabling real-time defect detection in manufacturing fields such as automotive, electronics, food, pharmaceuticals, and semiconductors. NeuroR achieves target accuracy and speed in any inline process. In automotive processes, it detects irregular defects with high accuracy. It meets the fast processing speeds required in battery manufacturing. And it integrates with semiconductor inspection equipment, ensuring reliable, real-time evaluation. Neurocle specializes in deep learning vision inspection to create a world where everyone can use deep learning technology. Experience the innovation of Neurocle's deep learning vision inspection. Neurocle.